There are places on this planet that defy logic. Forbidden by nature, protected by governments, shrouded in danger, mystery, or time itself. These are not just locations on a map. They are warnings. Welcome to 5 places humans were never meant to see. First up, Surtsey Island, Iceland. Born from fire in the middle of the North Atlantic, Surtsey rose from the ocean in 1963. A newborn island formed by volcanic eruption. But humans are not welcome here. Why? Because Surtsey is a time capsule, a scientific laboratory, a rare opportunity to study the birth of an ecosystem, without human interference. Only a handful of scientists have ever set foot on its fragile soil. Visitors are banned. Even touching the ground could introduce foreign bacteria. Surtsey isn't just protected, it's watched, because once humans step in, the experiment ends. Next, Snake Island, Brazil. Ilha da Queimada Grande, better known as Snake Island. Sounds exotic? Think again. It's home to the golden lancehead viper, one of the most venomous snakes on Earth. You won't find them in zoos. You won't find them anywhere else. Just here, by the thousands. Legend says a lighthouse keeper once ignored warnings. He and his family vanished, only to be found later, covered in fatal bites. Today Snake Island is closed to the public. The Brazilian Navy patrols it, because what lives there doesn't want company. Now let's wander to the Lascaux Caves, France. Hidden in the hills of southwestern France lies a portal to the past, the Lascaux Caves. On its walls, paintings made by human hands over 17,000 years ago, horses, bulls, mysterious symbols, a glimpse into minds we'll never fully understand. But when tourists began flooding in, the caves started to die. The carbon dioxide from our breath, bacteria on our skin, even body heat began destroying the ancient artwork. In 1963, the caves were sealed. What remains is too delicate to survive modern humanity. A replica cave was built, but the real Lascaux, it sleeps in silence. Number 4, Point Nemo, South Pacific Ocean. It's the most remote place on Earth. Over 1,400 miles from any landmass. No humans live here, no planes fly over it, even the nearest people are astronauts. This is Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. It's so isolated it's become a spacecraft graveyard. NASA and other agencies crash their satellites here, including parts of the Mir space station and Tiangong-1. If something falls from the sky, this is where it lands. No one sails to Point Nemo, because no one can, and maybe no one should. Finally, Socotra Island, Yemen. It's been called the most alien place on Earth. Socotra Island off the coast of Yemen is home to over 700 species found nowhere else on the planet. The dragon blood tree with its red sap, giant desert roses shaped like upside-down carrots, caves, dunes, and mountains untouched by time, but access is limited. Political conflict, harsh terrain, and strict preservation laws make visiting nearly impossible. To scientists, Socotra is priceless. To travelers, it's a fantasy. But to nature, it is sacred ground, a reminder that the world still holds secrets, and not all of them were meant for us. We are explorers by nature, but some places were never meant to be mapped, never meant to be touched. These are the corners of the earth where mystery still lives, where humanity hears the whisper, not yet, not here. Which of these places would you dare to visit, if you were allowed?